honeys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. So I know it's been a few weeks since I've been on here, guys. I've been super busy. My chair has been full, my plate has been full, family life, you name it, I was doing it. But I'm back, and I'm back to stay. My first step was to section off our ponytail. Now I'm making a small braid to separate our hair. This section of hair will be going over her tracks. Now I'm braiding down the back of her hair where the first two bundles will be placed. She wanted this look as she's going on a work vacation, so she wanted a nice, sleek, boss babe look, something easy, something simple that she could maintain while she was away. I added a net, and now I'm just sewing in her bundles. She's using 3 bundles of body wave from my virgin hair collection: 16, 18 and 20. 18 and 20 will be at the back, and the 16 will be used for our ponytail. The 16 and 18 were previously used, and like I said, ladies, my bundles can serve you anywhere from 3 to 5 years with proper care. The care is very important, so as long as you care your bundles, they will serve you the full time. I am finished with the bundles at the back, and now I'm just securing our ponytail. I'm making this braid right here for the bundle to be attached to it. Please remember to follow me on Instagram at honeyscloset_beautybar and on Facebook at honeyscloset and beautybar. Our inspiration for this style came from her touch-up. After she did the natural closure install and she did the touch-up, she fell in love with the one curls, and she's like, why not do a half up, half down? Right now I will be using some styling strips to protect our hair from the glue. Not because you want to wear hair, ladies, means that you have to mess up your own hair. We're just out here rocking hair because it's in style, it's in fashion. We want to try different things. It doesn't mean that we don't love our hair. We just want to be different, be versatile. Yep. I'm using a little glue right here to secure the strip. Then I'm taking her baby hairs out, and if you guys been watching from day one, you already know that this is my favorite part. So the strip is on. I'm spraying it with got to be spray. I do this basically for reassurance. I find that when I use the spray, the glue sticks better. Now it's time for me to glue our bundle at the top. All I did, I placed the glue on the track. Pretty simple. After gluing the hair in, I will be going in with my blow dryer just to ensure that it dries properly and it's sticking to the strip. I would like to take the time out to say thank you to all my viewers and subscribers. I started this channel in April, now it's May, and I'm well over 1,000 subscribers. So thank you guys so much for the continued support. I will be doing an Instagram live shortly just to do a little giveaway. And it's pretty much repetitive from here onward, guys. Some people like to do this style from the tip of the strip. I prefer to use the base it works best for me. I get the best results this way. So you guys can just do whatever you feel comfortable with. If you like working from the top instead of the base, you do that. But I love the results I get when I work from the base, so that's what I'm working with. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Please stay tuned for my discount code. The discount code for this video is Boss Babe. So when you come to shop, you can use that. This is the end results, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.